I think I've always been interested in science, like growing up. My name is Jennifer Main. I attend Rick Hansen Secondary and I'm currently in the School of Science program that they offer.
I came in, started as principal at Rick Hansen in April of 2014, and we wanted to do something different to make the learning more authentic, more real, more practical, more hands-on and more experiential for kids. So we started by asking people what they want. If you could design the best school possible for your kids, what would it look like? And so we took all that feedback from all our stakeholders to design the best possible program that we could for kids. Let the student be the driver of their education, include more student voice and more student choice. And so we designed 2 specialized schools for students in grade 11 and 12 to take advantage of that. We want that learning that happens in the classroom be connected to something tangible, be connected to something real, and students be able to see how that's applied, so that you begin already at grade 11 to make an informed decision about your future career path.
So my internship is in the Valley of Engineering and Testing, and I'm really excited to get some hands-on work experience into this.
We need kids to see the connections, because in the real world, everything's connected together. During the first year of the program in grade 9, we were approached by the University of Fraser Valley. 3 professors from their education department had said to us, can we come in and measure what you're doing in your project-based learning environment? And so they came in and they were finding that students' communication skills were increasing, students' collaboration skills were increasing, confidence levels, research skills, and probably one of the coolest things was that students in grade 9 were seeing themselves as agents of social change.
The internship has been pretty interesting. I've been in the workplace and the internship, kind of observing everything, knowing how a company works, an establishment, how it works and how it functions, even on the inside. And I think that is definitely the most valuable thing.
That's what school should be about. It should be about engaging kids in exciting learning opportunities and helping them see not only their own potential, but the potential that exists out in the world at large for them to take advantage of.
The world's a big place. There's always room to explore and learn new things. Just keep an open mind.